U.S. Treasury yields were flat Thursday as investors looked to additional inflation data that could inform Federal Reserve monetary policy decisions. At 6:17 a.m. Eastern Time, the yield on the 10-year Treasury was up by less than 1 basis point at 4.196%. The 2-year Treasury yield was last at 4.628%, also less than a basis point higher. Yields and prices move in opposite directions and 1 basis point equals 0.01%. Investors are looking ahead to the second set of key inflation this week, the Producer Price Index for February. The PPI tracks inflation on a wholesale level. Economists surveyed by Dow Jones are expecting it to increase by 0.3% on a monthly level. So-called core PPI, which excludes food and energy prices, is expected to have risen 0.2%. It will mark the last major data release before Federal Reserve's meeting on March 19 to 20. Investors are widely expecting interest rates to be left unchanged, but are looking for fresh hints as to when rate cuts could begin and how many are likely this year. Policymakers have said they are looking for further data evidence that inflation is returning to its 2% target range before making any monetary policy decisions. Earlier in the week, the Consumer Price Index for February came in slightly higher than expected, rising 0.4% on a monthly basis, and 3.2% from a year earlier.